What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ironclad Marketing Minute. My name is Benjamin Ricciardi with Ironclad Restoration Marketing, and today's Ironclad Marketing Minute installment is all about you. No, not you in general, but who you are as a business. A couple of months ago, we talked about one of the most fundamental aspects of developing any marketing strategy, where we spoke to you about determining who it is that you want to do business with, or figuring out who your target customer is. Until you figure out who it is you want to do business with, you're going to have a very hard time marketing to them, because you need to be able to address their pain points and their fears to let them understand that they can trust you to help them with their problems. So once you've developed your target customer, the next step is developing messaging that's going to resonate with them. So we're going to talk about your USP, or your unique selling proposition. Why should someone do business with you versus your competition? Now, as you all well know, commercial loss customers and residential customers have vastly different needs and desires and things that they're going to resonate with them. So once you've determined who it is that you want to go after as far as a target customer, that's when you can develop your messaging or your USP. 24/7 emergency service, 5-star Google reviews. Do you have licensed and trained professional technicians? I sure hope so. Whatever your USP is, you need to have a firm grasp on that exact terminology, and then be able to syndicate that messaging across your digital and print media channels. So once you've developed your USP, make sure that's prominently displayed on your website, your social media channels, your Google business profile, and on your print media. So take some time. If you haven't figured out who it is that you want to do business with, do that first, and then start thinking about what makes them tick, and start developing your messaging and your USP that's unique to your business. We'll see you next time.